Welcome to Marigold lesson, the yellow butterfly. In this session we are going to do more exercises from the textbook. First, let's look at new words from the prose and learn their meaning. Form sentences using them. The word escape means to get away, avoid being caught or harmed.
The example sentences are: the dog escaped before we could catch him. The prisoner escaped from jail.
The word pond means a small body of still water.
The sentences with pond are: in the garden there is a beautiful lotus pond. The birds come and drink water from the pond.
The word peach means a fruit that has yellow or reddish skin covered with a soft fuzz.
Sentences are: peach fruit has sweet, juicy flesh and a large, rough pit. I was very hungry, and I ate peach fruit.
The word climb means to move upward, go towards the top, rise.
Examples are: the airplane climbed sharply after it took off. He climbed for an hour until he reached the top of the hill.
The word catch means to get control of someone or something moving away.
Example sentences are: the cat tried to catch the mouse. While playing football, I caught the ball and prevented the goal.
The word middle means halfway between two things, places, or points.
Examples are: the boat is in the middle of the lake. Bus is in the middle of the road.
The word hungry means feeling a need or desire for food.
Sentences are: I'm hungry because I didn't eat breakfast this morning. When I am hungry, I eat a lot.
The word float means to rest on the surface of a liquid without sinking.
Sentences are: the lotus flower floats on water. The balloon floated in the breeze.
The word shout means to express strong emotions, such as anger, fear, or excitement, or to express strong opinions, in a loud voice.
Example sentences are: Papa really shouted at me when I broke the window. There's no need to shout, I can hear you.
The word chase means to follow with the goal of catching, run after.
Examples are: the boy chased the ball. Ramu was chased by the dog.
The word flutter means to wave rapidly back and forth or up and down.
Example sentences are: the tail of the kite fluttered in the wind. Wings of the insect fluttered when it started flying.
The word twist means to turn something, especially repeatedly, or to turn or wrap one thing around another.
Examples are: machines twist wires together to make cable. I twisted my hair around my finger.
You have learned so many new words in this chapter. Next exercise is a bit different. Write the sentences in the proper order using these words to help you.
The sentence with first of all, I got out of the bed, comes first. Then comes the sentence with then I brushed my teeth and have a bath.
Afterwards we have the sentence with after. After this I eat my breakfast. Finally we have the sentence with finally. Finally, I dress up and go to school.
Well done. The last exercise from the lesson. Make 2 words from 1 word.
Butterfly can be split into butter and fly. Everywhere can be split into every and where. Inside can be split into in and side.
Outside can be split into out and side. Sunlight can be split into sun and light.
You must keep a watch for such words. In English, many words are made by combining 2 already existing words. With this we have come to the end of the lesson, the yellow butterfly.